Hello and welcome to QED Stata 1, starting from S6. So now we're going to load an actual Stata data file, and here's the name of the file, QEDWI1DTA. And so we go to Stata, and this is a situation where you do use the file commands for this, though it is possible, as we'll see, to use text commands. But for now, let's use these familiar file commands. You can use this, or you can use this. Close that open one there. Okay, so you have to download the file first, put it somewhere where you know where it is, and then find your way to it. And these are versions I was working on previously. So I'm going to open this one. So QEDWI1DTA. When you see DTA, that's a Stata data file. There are a couple of other file types that Stata uses, which we'll get to later. So I've imported that. It's reported the command. There's no red error ink, so obviously it must have worked. And let's see what we're going to do next. Okay, describe. So this is the last time we're going to remind you to press enter, so type in describe here. Remember, all lowercase. It gives us a nice output here. So you can see that's the output to the describe command. So I'm not going to keep typing this again and again. So hopefully you can understand that most of that the summary has told you there. These two bits can be a bit confusing, so let's explain what they are here. So please ask if you're not sure about that. Now S8, we use that browse command to look at the data. Okay, so now we have got some numbers in it now. So you can browse this way to see how many variables there are. So every variable is strictly in a column. And if you want detail on any variable, you can either click here or you can click here. So GNI, it tells you details what there is here. It tells you what kind of data there is and so on, how many observations there are. And again, the numbers are coloured in black, text is coloured in red. Oh yes. Some people, when they first see this, they get confused by these E numbers, as I call them. When you click on something here, it pops up here, so there's Andorra, Antigua and Barbuda, Armenia and so on. Or you click here and the numbers come up. So if you click on one of these numbers with an E in it, you can see actually this is just short for a very long number. Just to make it fit in the column, there's the whole number written out in full. So hopefully you can use that to answer these questions here. And hopefully you can explain why two of the numeric variables have got the type shown instead of double. That's asking you to look. You can either look back here at the types, which is here. So mammals and urban have got a different data type. They're not double. And you can see what kind of numbers are in there. So there's mammals, and there's urban population, which have got a different data type. That's long, and this one's int, whereas the rest of them are all doubles. So you might like to think about what that is. Again, do ask if you're not sure about any of these questions. But for now, we'll go on into the next video, which will talk about variable labels. And thank you for watching.